All right, Thursday, July 27th. So I took one trade today, and obviously it's a red trade. We're down 56 on the day, and I mean I'll get right into it. So I'll start by saying this: yesterday was FOMC day, so I've kind of been dumping all day, or not even all day really. Oh, actually, yeah, I guess there's just a little pullback, and then it just dumps some more. So I guess, I mean, my trade, I went long, or I was trying to go long, and maybe that played a part into why it didn't work out. But yeah, let's get into this. So let's see where this was at. Ugh, this was hell. But okay, so I took it at 8:30. It's a nice early morning trade. Okay, so 8:30. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be right over here. So little slanted inverse head and shoulders. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then it was kind of slanted. So neckline was right about here. So like I have it on NinjaTrader. This was the neckline right here. So I was waiting not for the breakout, or I guess the breakout, but I was waiting for a candle to close above it. So we were in this selling channel as well. Like not. Let me get rid of some of these lines because it's kind of hard to tell, so I can describe it a little easier. Okay, so before I was in the trade, I only had this selling channel drawn. So let me pull this out a little more. So I mean, yeah, we topped here a couple times. So I was waiting for us to break out of this neckline and also break above the selling channel. So I mean, yeah, once the candle closed above the neckline, it also opened above the selling channel. So decided to take the trade. As you can see right here, I took the trade, and there was a pretty good candle. Like literally, as soon as I bought in, I thought I had like a perfect entry, because as soon as I bought in, it just pumped up like 2 points. So like from 46.16 to 46.19. So literally a 3 point candle right here. I was up 3 points. So honestly, I felt really good after like the first like minute. But yeah, after that, we kind of just consolidated for a little bit. And then I found another kind of selling channel, which after I drew this one out, it kind of just looked like we were tapering. So it came down and went below my entry point after it consolidated for a little bit. So I didn't like how it looked like we were kind of tapering off. So I sold 3 contracts at about like a point and a half. So after that, I was probably down about like $20, $25. And then we just continued to go down some more. And then I don't know what happened, but NinjaTrader actually glitched out a little bit. So my stop, once I entered in, was about right here. So it was 3 points below my entry, and it was right near kind of below the right shoulder, or right where the right shoulder was. So, I mean, head and shoulders, they usually have a tendency, if they don't go up straight away, they have the tendency to come down, and they don't go below the pullback or below like the right shoulder. So I wanted to see if we were going to come below the right shoulder or not, which we did go below the right shoulder. So, I mean, we came down, and NinjaTrader, it went through my stop, but NinjaTrader glitched out. And so I was trying to like, once it came up, I was trying to spam the close button. And it took a little bit, but eventually I got my position to close. So realistically, I should have been down like $80, because that's for 3 points. It's like $75 plus, and then the fees as well. So it's like $81. But I'm down 56, and yeah, that's my only trade. That was kind of the reasoning. Also, I'll show the cues. I did have a, yeah, there we go. So I took the trade about 8:30. So This was, I entered in right about here, then it pumped up, and it kind of rejected off VWAP, and then I didn't draw this kind of buying channel until afterwards. So yeah, it topped on the buying channel, also VWAP. So I mean, that was kind of only confirmation that, I mean, yeah, that and that we were tapering off. That was kind of my only rejections to why I should exit out of the trade. But I mean, other than that, it was a confident trade. But I mean, I had reasoning for the trade, inverse head and shoulders. So I mean, usually they've been working out, but I mean, obviously it's not 100% probability. So I'm not mad that I took the trade. And I mean, it was a small loss compared to the wins I've been having this week, 56. I mean, yesterday I made, what was it, 68 bucks. So not even mad. We're still up 113 on the account. So, and it was after FOMC yesterday. So I mean, we've been selling off all day. So going long, I mean, after the fact, obviously I shouldn't have done it after the fact, but we were kind of selling off. So I just didn't work out. No problem. Not upset. But yeah, that's it. Ready to jump into it tomorrow. See how tomorrow's going to go. But also, I mean, yeah, we were just, after yesterday, we kind of, that's bad. I'll show it on there. I'll show it on the 15-minute. So, I mean, yesterday's close and we just pumped up pre-market leading up to today. So, I mean, we filled the gap and then some. So, yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes.